This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Manuela Capello. Location: modern design home, 3-bedroom 3-bathroom with open floor plan with ceramic tile floors, gourmet kitchen featuring Italian cabinets, quartz countertops, and new stainless steel appliances, abundant natural light through floor to ceiling impact glass windows, spacious bedrooms, private balcony, and custom finished walk-in closet. The large rooftop terrace includes a gourmet kitchen, 2 covered terraces, a private swimming pool, a jacuzzi, and a beautifully landscaped yard with automatic LED lights and sprinkler systems. Prime location, near the University of Miami, excellent schools, walking distance to the best shops and restaurants of Coconut Grove, with Walgreens and Milam's grocery just a block away. 24 hours advance notice for showing. Please don't disturb the tenant. For more information,